Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and waiting a couple minutes to avoid shorts. Once done, relieve any refrigerant pressure according to local regs or shop procedure, then make sure the car is stable on level ground. Remove the drive belt, splash shield, and any brackets blocking compressor access so you can see the pulley clearly. This early access prevents damage and speeds the rest of the job. You now lock the compressor rotor with a clutch holding tool to prevent rotation while you work. Next, back out the center bolt using an impact or a breaker bar. Apply steady torque and make sure the holding tool remains secure so you don't round fasteners. Once the bolt is free, slide the pulley off the shaft carefully. Inspect the bearing, spacer, and clutch face for wear so you know whether to replace parts or continue with reassembly. You finish by installing the replacement pulley or bearing assembly, making sure spacers and washers sit in the original order, then torque the center bolt to the manufacturer specification. Once done, reinstall brackets, splash shield, and the drive belt, reconnect the battery, and run the engine to verify smooth operation and no unusual noise. If you hear binding or grinding, stop immediately. Check pulley alignment, shaft runout, and clutch condition. Replacing the clutch or shaft may be necessary to resolve persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.